Hi guys, today I will teach you how to make your first Python script, and it's the basics. I'll split this video to 3 levels. First, printing, second, variables, third, and the last is comments. Let's start. First, download this app PyCharm. It's in the link of the description. Make a new Python file. I already have it. And let's start with printing. Print. Hello. The start. Okay. If we're on it, it has the text we write it. Cool. You can do with it a lot of things. We can even make math with it, like 5 plus 3 equals 8. 9 times 6 equals 54. 40 minus 20 equals 20. So cool. Have fun with it. Okay, to level 2. Variables. I will do new ones. X and Y. X and Y. X, enter. What's that? Okay. Enter. Y. Now X will be equals 10. Enter. Oh, go down. Y is equals 20 and Z is equals 30. Now let's make it with printing. Print X plus Y times Z. Let's run. 610. We don't need to answer it because Python never lie. Now level 3, comments. For example, I made a script. But some of people doesn't understand it. We can fix that by using the hashtag comment. In the hashtag, you can write anything you want. Look at this, and it doesn't give you an error. Now let's see. We need to do with it really important thing like explaining. Printing is something that let you write. Okay. Now this is the end of the video. If you want more like this, then subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. I have an account there. Goodbye guys, and I hope you have a nice day like always. Boom!